Hey guys, welcome to a new BlocksToCommand tutorial. In this case, I will show you how to use the plugin and combine it with executable blocks or executable items. So let's begin. First of all, we have to create our construction that we are going to import into A or F. In this case, the construction will be a ring of box. Okay, once the building is done, we have to import it using BlocksToCommand. We will need first the tool, BTC tool. We're going to set the position 1 right here and the position 2 right here. So we're selecting this area. Now, to import the construction, we need the command BTC delay tick between each set block. I will set it to 1. I want to copy the air. No, in this case I don't. And the name of the file, that will be ring. But first of all, this is important because the position where we run the command is so important. If I run it from here, the construction will get started to build from there with that offset. That is not what we want. So I will run the command near to the center of the ring. BTC1 false and ring correct. I will set it to ring correct. But what if I run this command from, for example, here? I will show you why the position is so important. I will run the same, but instead of ring correct, ring offset Y. And that's it. Now we have to import it into an executable item or executable block. So we have to create them first. Let's do it. Let's create first the executable item. EI create ring. The name will be ring and the lore builds a ring. Builds a ring. Place it and it builds a ring. So let's finish and we are going to create an activator. How the ring will be constructed. An activator, in this case, it will be block place. Okay, nothing more than that. Just that, save. And in this case, I want the item to disappear. So usage to 0 and usage modification to -1. I already explained it in the basic tutorial of executable items that I will leave in the description below. Let's save, back, save. We have the executable item ready right here. Let's create the executable block. F create ring. The same ring. Place it and it will place it and right click. I want that, and it will create a ring. Let's delete this line, and the activator will be right click on because I say place it and then right click. And the same than before, usage to 0 and usage modification to -1. Let's save, and we have both executable item and executable block created. Let's import the construction we imported before into the item and into the block. Let's do it. Now let's see the BlocksToCommand file. We have to open plugin BlocksToCommand and we will have something like this. We're going to enter two commands and we have a ring correct and ring offset Y. I will first make everything with ring correct and at the end of the video I will show you what happens if we use the ring offset Y, the one that we used while we were in the air. So we import it like not in the correct way. Let's open ring correct and we will have right this. So how do we import this into our files? We have to copy everything except don't copy this. So let's copy from here to bottom. To copy faster, we can click right here, then go to bottom and press Shift plus right click and we will select everything. So let's copy this, Ctrl C, Let's go first into our executable item, the activator player block place that we created, and in commands we're going to delete this line and add the whole stuff that we added. Now, instead of player commands, we're going to delete the player part and just set it like commands. And that's it. Control S and it's saved. Now, in our executable block, we're going to go to our activator, and where it says player commands right here, that's why we're copying something that starts with player commands, because this plugin was first thought on using executable block. But as you could see, importing into executable items is the same, just changing instead of player commands, commands. Let's delete this line and Control B. Now let's see if is everything right. Delete this space and Control S. Now we have both files ready. Let's go into Minecraft. So now that we are inside Minecraft, we have to reload executable item and reload executable blocks. Let's give myself the executable item. Let's place it and it starts to build. Now let's see with executable block. Right here. Let's place it, and remember, we have to right click it because that was the activator we set before. So let's right click it and it starts to build. As you can see, the building works perfectly. But I would like to show you what happens if we use the block that has Y offset. The one that I told you wasn't made in the correct way. Let's see. So I'm going to open ring offset Y. I will copy everything. Control C. I will place it in the executable block, the one that has player right click on. These whole player commands will be deleted. And I will place the one that was in ring offset Y. Everything looks fine. Control S. And let's see inside Minecraft. Let's reload. And now this is the executable block. Let's see what happens if we place it. We have to right click, but before it I want to show you that when we imported that one, the one with offset Y, we did it from here. Okay, so just remember it. The first one, the ones that worked fine, are those two and were imported from here. The second one, the one that I told you is not correct, we imported from here. Let's see what happens. What if we import from that position? Let's right click it, and you could see it is not working because I don't see anything. The thing is that it starts to set block from the position we imported the construction, so it is building below the blocks. Like from the position we run the command btc import. And that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you understood how to import constructions. I hope you understood how to bring them into executable item or into an executable block. Now let's make some items or blocks and see you.